22nd October. The two, Mohammed Hamed Abdi and Hussein Hassan Mustafa, were found guilty of 3 counts of terror crime, including conspiracy to commit a terrorism offense and knowingly supporting a terror group. The former was solely found guilty of being in possession of terrorism material.
I am therefore satisfied the prosecution has proved the charges of possession of articles for use in commission of a terrorism offense against the first accused person beyond a reasonable doubt, and I find the first accused person guilty. Now, I found that the first and fourth accused persons were in active communication with the attackers, and they would not be doing this unless they had links to them.
But while the two stare at conviction, another suspect was acquitted by Chief Magistrate Francis Andai of all counts of terror crime. The court failed to find evidence linking Liban Abdullah Omar to the Westgate terrorists. And as the second accused person shed what seems as tears of joy awaiting his imminent release, the court directed his alien identity card be immediately released to him. He now joins a fourth suspect, Adan Dek, who was set free in January 2019 after the prosecution failed to prove a case against him.
I give the benefit of the doubt to the second accused person and find the communication he had on his phone was innocent. I find that the prosecution has not proved its case against the second accused person on all the charges that were facing him, and consequently he is acquitted under Section 215 of the Criminal Procedure Code.
Reacting to the verdict, prosecutor Edwin Okello has said justice has been served, even as the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions ponders on whether to appeal the acquittal.
So it's been a 7-year journey, which is finally over, and I think it's been justice served for the victims of Westgate and the country at large.
The two suspects who have been found guilty are facing a maximum of 20 years of jail term for each count. The Westgate attack, one of the deadliest terror attacks to have ever taken place in the country, left at least 71 people dead, including the gunmen, and close to 200 people injured in its wake. 4 gunmen stormed the Westgate Mall, located in Upmarket Westlands Estates in Nairobi, in September 2013, and began firing at will, leading to a siege that lasted for 4 days. Somali ragtag group the Al-Shabaab claimed responsibility for the attack. Now, amid fears of a justice delayed, justice denied scenario, the High Court has finally found 2 of the 4 suspects implicated in the September 21st, 2013 Westgate terror attack guilty, awaiting sentencing on 22nd this month. David Muthoka, TV47 at the Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.
Moving